Welcome to SolidWorks for the Engineering Design Process, Lesson 4, Section 1. In this video, you'll learn about sustainable engineering and its importance to designers and engineers. You'll also learn about life cycle assessment, a way to quantitatively assess the environmental impact of a product. Sustainability is the ability to maintain diversity and productivity in the environment, economy, and society. Sustainable engineering takes all of these things into consideration when creating a product or process. Nowadays, many manufacturers consider it very important to minimize the environmental impact of their products because of the long-term benefits to their companies, their customers, and most importantly, the Earth. Making a product greener is becoming equally as important as making it functional and profitable. That's why it's important to understand sustainable design and how to implement it now. At every step and every iteration of the engineering design process, engineers need to consider how the environment is being impacted by each design decision. It begins with Step 3 of the engineering design process, developing possible solutions. Engineers need to start thinking about how much energy will be consumed over the life cycle of the product, the effect on air and water, as well as the carbon footprint. Life cycle assessment, or LCA, is an analysis that gives you the quantitative information you need to make the most responsible decisions regarding the environment, economy, and society throughout a product's life. LCA looks at a product's entire life, encompassing things like the extraction of raw material, material processing, part manufacturing, assembly, product use, disposal, and all the transportation between each stage. For example, LCA allows you to determine if it's environmentally friendlier to purchase steel processed in China or processed in the US if the product is supposed to be manufactured in Europe and assembled in South America. While a full LCA is a detailed, comprehensive process, SolidWorks features sustainable design tools that provide screening-level LCA feedback for product design. SolidWorks Sustainability Express makes designing for the environment simple by presenting you with data that indicates the impact your product has on 4 aspects of the environment. Using Sustainability Express, you can measure total energy consumed, carbon footprint, effect on air, and effect on water. Sustainability Express takes into account the material of your part, how and where it was manufactured, and where it will be used. The values of the environmental impacts update as you change your design. You can even have the software suggest greener materials that meet your engineering specs so you can confidently decide on what is the most sustainable choice. In this video, you learned about sustainable engineering and its importance to designers and engineers. You also learned about life cycle assessment and how to use these concepts to quantitatively analyze environmental impact. In the next video, you'll see SolidWorks Sustainability Express in action.